Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to withdraw PayPal credit balance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course go to the Google Play Store or the App Store to download the application if you already hadn't. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So we have the home screen, we have the send, we have the wallet, the activity and help options. As you can see, we have again the send and request and other different kind of options, as you can see here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and withdraw PayPal credit balance. First of all, what you need to do guys is log into your PayPal account, as I already told you, and navigate to the summary tab or the activity tab, where, as you can see, I have no transactions yet, but be sure that you will have some if you already have, of course. In the PayPal credit section, click the Manage Account link, look for the Transfer Funds or Withdraw Funds option and follow the instructions to transfer the funds that your linked bank account or preferred payment method. Of course, guys, alternatively, you can send money to another person's PayPal account and ask them to send it back to you. Then transfer it from your PayPal balance to your bank account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.